Dear ladies and gentlemen, my video tutorial will provide you with help to remove the ransomware called HorrorDead. My video will only be for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. I will just show you the damaging effect of this ransomware, and I will give you some recommendations on how you can possibly recover your files, even though I cannot guarantee that I will help you to recover them. So before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open the files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documentation, and all other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware called HorrorDead may be very easily injected into the system, and because of that, very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware encrypts files and damages them all essentially. Then the ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. Nevertheless, of course, paying the ransom is not a good idea. You should not waste your money and you should not pay the ransom. So don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. Now, very soon, as I said, users see the consequences, the results of the ransomware's attack. And so these are the results of the ransomware's attack. The ransomware actually says something in Russian. It also changes the desktop background. Basically, it tells people to pay the ransom for file restoration, but you should not pay the ransom. Don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the website combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the application, and once it is successfully installed, start investigating your computer with its help. Combo Cleaner actually is initially in the trial mode, and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. So this is the way Combo Cleaner looks like. First of all, after you start Combo Cleaner and you click on the Start Scan button, the application will update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware. So you should not skip this very important step. So after you click on the Start Scan button, the software will first of all update its anti-malware database. And then after it gets successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. Combo Cleaner has got, the premium version of Combo Cleaner has got anti-ransomware feature, which allows you to basically add one or several folders on your computer that will always be under the protection against ransomware attacks. And basically, Combo Cleaner, of course, doesn't decrypt files, but it helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data ahead of time. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how you can possibly recover the data.